This is Dr. Yara, and today we're going on a super duper mysterious matter hunt. Did you know that everything around us is made of matter? How can we describe matter itself? We can describe it by its properties. The easiest way to describe something is definitely by the color. Easiest way to describe this is by its color. So, this is violet. This is white. This is green. Orange. This is yoga. It killed my neck yesterday. This is yellow, just like the sun. This, blue, just like an ocean water. And this is red.
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like.
So, let's dive into the second property. So, Steam fellas, now we're going to look at the second property, which is the shape. If you can look very carefully here, we have this amazing thing called the rectangle. This shape is called the rectangle, like the window. And here, it has 4 sides, where each opposite side are equal to each other. This is opposite to this, and this is opposite to this. They're totally similar. And what's more interesting, if you can look at the angles in here, they all have the form of this. Do like me, like this. So this is called a rectangle. Okay, now we're going to see the second shape, which is the round. Look at this ball. It's very round. Repeat after me. Round. It forms a kind of circle. Other shapes we should look into are, first of all, the star. Look at this beautiful star. It's very shiny, right? So you repeat after me. Star. Again. Star. And another shape we should look into is really similar to the rectangle we've seen before, which is the square. The difference between the rectangle and the square is that the rectangle has 2 sides that are slightly shorter than the other 2. In the case of the square, all the sides are similar to each other, and similarly to the rectangle, they have an angle that shows like this. So repeat after me, square. The last shape we're going to study is the triangle. Repeat after me, triangle. So the triangle has 3 straight sides, just like this, for example. And this is another example. Repeat after me, triangle. Hi, Steam fellas. It's really hot today. This is the other property we're going to learn, which is the temperature. Today, the temperature is so high. When the temperature is high, we call it it's hot. Hello again. Today, it's even so freezing I can't even talk. My body is shivering. So, we can say that today's temperature is so low. This is why it's really cold. So, when the temperature is low, it is really cold. Fellas, look what I found in the freezer. Look carefully. When the temperature is so low and it's really cold, look what water becomes. This is really cold. So we hold and do not touch it. Oh, look at this fire. This is really hot. So the temperature of this fire is really high. Let's recap everything. When the temperature is high, it is hot. However, when the temperature is low, it is cold. Did you just see this small piece of paper? This is the third property we're going to use to describe the matter itself. How is the size of the matter? Is it small? Is it big? Am I tall? Am I short? So, this is a big piece of paper, a normal piece of paper. This is a small one. This is big This is small. This is a small flower. This is a big flower. Finally, we have finished now. Oh no! There's one more lesson. The texture. This is the most important one. So, repeat after me, it's a bit different. Texture. The texture. So what is the texture? It's how it looks, or how we touch it. When we touch it, what do we feel? For example, look at this teddy bear. It's very squishy, it's soft. So it can even change shape if you squeeze it this much. Force it to return to its place. This is soft. However, if you look at this piece of wood, it's really hard. It cannot deform, it cannot change shape. However, it's not squishy at all. This is why this is hard. This is hard. This is squishy, it's soft. There is a very big difference between soft and hard versus smooth and rough. We already agreed that this is hard. It's stiff. But when we talk about smooth, or when we talk about something that's rough, it's how it feels when you touch it from the outside. When you touch this from the outside, it has a lot of bumps, if you can look. This is why it feels like sandpaper. It's uneasy to touch. This is why this is called rough. However, this is also a hard object. We can all agree, look at this amazing snowball. When you touch it from the outside, it has no bumps. It's like a slide. This is why this is smooth. This is smooth, but this is rough. However, this is hard. This is hard. And this is soft. Bye, fellas.